Chapter 10. Creating Shapes in Scratch. Learning Objectives. After completing the chapter, students will be able to pen block, draw a square in Scratch, draw an oval or circle in Scratch, draw a line in Scratch, draw a polygon in Scratch. In the previous class, you have learnt about the basic operations that can be done in Scratch programming and also the main components of the Scratch window. In this chapter, you will discuss some more tools which we have learnt about the functioning of different blocks in the Scratch programming in the last classes. Now, in this chapter, you will learn how to draw in Scratch programming. Pen block. This block is a hidden block in Scratch. It is used to draw any shape in the Scratch window. It is green in color and draws a trail behind while moving the sprite from one place to another. You can anytime change the color of the pen. In the latest version of Scratch, you need to download that pen block and add it to the block category. You need to do the following steps to add pen block from the extensions of Scratch. 1. Click on the Add Extension button on the bottom left corner of the Scratch Code tab. 2. Choose an extension window that appears on your screen. 3. Double-click on the pen block. 4. All the commands related to pen block will be added to the block category. Pen blocks. Usage. Erase all. This block helps to remove everything drawn by pen. Stamp. This sprite creates a duplicate of the current sprite. Pen up. The block stops the pen to draw anything. Pen down. This block makes the sprite draw a trail whenever it moves. Set pen color to. This block allows to set pen color. Change pen color by 10. This block changes the color of the pen by a specified value. Set pen color to 50. This block sets the color of the sprite's pen to a specified value. Change pen size by 1. This block changes the size of the sprite's pen to specified value. Set pen size to 1. This block sets the size of the pen to a specified value, 1. Now, let us learn the commands under pen block. Drawing a line in Scratch. You need to follow the given steps to draw a line in Scratch. 1. Create a new Scratch project. 2. Type the given code in the Scratch script window. 3. Run the code. Drawing polygon in Scratch. Polygons are shapes that are drawn using 3 or 4 lines and angles. The shapes that can be drawn using a polygon are triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, etc. You need to keep in mind certain rules whenever we draw a polygon in the Scratch window. 1. You must know the number of sides of the shape you want to draw. This value is to be given to the repeat block. 2. You must know the degree of angle at the corner, as each time you draw a line, you need to turn it too. 3. You can easily find the angles by dividing 360 by the number of degrees. For example, you need to calculate for a square. The turn will be 360 divided by 4 equals 90 degrees. Drawing a square in Scratch. You need to follow the given steps to draw a square in Scratch programming. 1. Click on the Events block category and drag the When clicked on the script area. 2. Click on the Look block. 3. Click and drag the Hide block. 4. Click on the Pen block and drag the Pen Down block to the script area. 5. Click on the Set Color to the block to the script area and change the color of the line. 6. Click on the Control block and drag the Repeat block to the script area. 7. Click on the Motion block and drag the Move block and Turn block to the script area. 8. In the Repeat block, change the number of repeat to 4. 9. Run the script. Summary. Pen block is used to draw any shape in the Scratch window. Pen block is green in color and draws a trail behind while moving the sprite from one place to another. You need to download the pen block from extensions and add that to the block category. Pen down command makes the sprite draw a trail whenever it moves. Pen up command turns the sprite into non-drawing mode. Change pen color helps to change the color of the trail. Set pen size command sets the size of the pen to a specified value. Polygons are shapes that are drawn using 3 or 4 lines and angles. You must know the number of sides of the shape you want to draw. You must know the degree of angle at the corner, as each time we draw a line, we need to turn it too. You can easily find the angles by dividing 360 by the number of sides.